Algebra is not a separate language you must fear. It is a shorter way to represent quantities and relationships. A variable stands for an unknown or changing number. Operations describe what happens to that number. GED problems often become difficult because of translation, not calculation. In this lesson, you will identify algebraic parts, translate common phrases, and preserve the correct order of operations. In the expression 3x plus 7, x is the variable, 3 is the coefficient multiplying x, and 7 is a constant. A term is a part separated by addition or subtraction. Recognizing these parts helps you read the expression before manipulating it. The variable is not automatically 1. Its value depends on the information given in the problem. The sum of a number and 9 becomes x plus 9. 5 more than a number also becomes x plus 5. Be careful with the phrase more than. 7 more than x means x plus 7, not 7 minus x. Addition is commutative, so order does not change the value, but the wording still helps identify the correct relationship. A number decreased by 4 becomes x minus 4. 4 less than a number also becomes x minus 4. But a number subtracted from 10 becomes 10 minus x. Subtraction is not commutative, so order matters. When you see from or less than, pause and identify which quantity is being taken away from which. The product of 6 and a number is 6x. Twice a number is 2x. 3/4 of a number is 3/4 times x. In algebra, a coefficient written next to a variable means multiplication. Do not insert an addition sign between them. The expression 5x means 5 times x, while 5 plus x represents a completely different relationship. The quotient of a number in 8 becomes x divided by 8. 8 divided by a number becomes 8 divided by x, so order again matters. A rate such as dollars per hour is dollars divided by hours. Fractions are division expressions, and parentheses may be needed when an entire sum or difference is in the numerator or denominator. 5 more than x is x plus 5. 5 times x is 5x. 5 times more is ambiguous in everyday speech, so GED questions usually use clearer language, such as 5 times as many. If one quantity is 5 times another, multiply by 5. If it is 5 greater, add 5. Identify whether the relationship changes by a fixed amount or a factor. Twice the sum of x and 3 becomes 2 times open parentheses x plus 3 close parentheses. Without parentheses, 2x plus 3 means only x is doubled. Similarly, the difference of a number and 5 divided by 4 becomes open parentheses x minus 5 close parentheses over 4. Grouping preserves the meaning of the phrase. A service charges $20 plus $5 per hour. If h represents hours, the total cost is 20 plus 5h. The fixed fee is the constant. The hourly charge is the coefficient. For 6 hours, substitute 6 to get 20 plus 30 or $50. Many real-life algebra questions use this fixed plus variable structure. A rectangle is 3 feet longer than its width. If the width is w, the length is w plus 3. The perimeter can then be written as 2w plus 2, open parentheses w plus 3, close parentheses. Translating one relationship correctly creates the expression needed for the next step. Label the variable clearly before building the formula. Common wrong answers reverse subtraction or division, treat more than as multiplication, or omit parentheses. Read the phrase in small chunks. Identify the main operation last. Twice the sum means form the sum first, then multiply. After writing the expression, say it back in words. If the verbal meaning changes, revise the algebra before calculating. Use a 5-step routine. First, define what the variable represents. Second, underline relationship words. Third, determine the order of quantities. Fourth, use parentheses when an operation applies to a group. Fifth, translate your expression back into ordinary language. This routine prevents setup errors and prepares you to simplify expressions, solve equations, and handle word problems with much greater control.